Worksite enforcement is the way in which federal immigration authorities ensure that employers hire and retain only lawful workers at the workplace. The law requires employers to screen their employees for two kinds of documents, one to verify identity and one to verify work eligibility. Some documents, such as a U.S. passport, serve both purposes. Once the verification process is complete, the employer and the employee fill out a Form I-9 under oath, which the employer is obliged to retain for the duration of the individual's employment. The I-9 form is subject to audit by federal immigration officers to ensure that the verification process has been undertaken properly, and failure to either prepare or to retain the I-9 subjects an employer to civil penalties for each violation. Repeat offenses can result in enhanced penalties for what is called a pattern and practice violation. Most employers want to do the right thing. The problem is that in our society, we are awash in fraudulent documents because of their ready and cheap availability using modern technology. One way that employers can avoid being duped is through use of the E-Verify program. E-Verify allows employers to compare the data on the documents submitted with information that already exists in government databases. Unfortunately, E-Verify is not required by the law, although it probably should be. Another way in which federal agents enforce the immigration laws is through actual operations at the workplace, usually after the result of receiving leads indicating there are illegal aliens in the workplace. After such an operation, if such aliens are detected, they are taken into custody and placed in removal proceedings. This leads us to why worksite enforcement is so important. Jobs are a major magnet that cause aliens to break the immigration laws, whether by crossing the border illegally or overstaying their visas. Unscrupulous employers are perfectly happy to take advantage of a pliable workforce that is unable to complain about substandard wages or working conditions. The problem with this is that it depresses wages for everyone and results in the loss of good job opportunities for Americans and other lawful workers. It's been said that illegal aliens occupy jobs that Americans won't do. That's an offensive stereotype. A 2015 Pew Center report indicates that significant numbers of aliens who are unauthorized to work are in fact occupying good jobs in construction and professional services. But even if you consider humble occupations, whether it's picking up your trash or mowing your lawn or dangerous occupations in the mines and the mills, there is no job that Americans and lawful workers won't do and don't do with dignity every day, provided they're given a decent working wage and reasonable working conditions.